we're using our washing machine. So we just plug it out here. This is the one.
इसको बंद करो।
इसमें
तुम इसको डाल दो। इसको डाल दो इसमें।
एक मिनट. I will be using this on in it. Liquid.
एक्चुअली इसका ना ड्रेन पाइप से डायरेक्टली इस इनलेट वाटर इनटेक कर सकते हैं उसका पाइप लगा के, बट इसका पाइप उस टाइप का शेप में नहीं है। तब वो होता ना डायरेक्ट इनटेक कर सकता था वो।
So I put the liquid soap in this.
अगर वो उसका नंबर आएगा ना अगर, तो उसको बोलूँगा एक बार अरेंजमेंट कर देगा वैसा तो।
हाँ.
तो ये पाइप डालेगा ना तो इट इज डायरेक्टली पुटिंग वाटर।
हाँ.
इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग इन बाल्टी से।
कपड़ा लेके आओ.
एक कपड़ा मिक्स हो जान दो।
ऑन कर. वाओ. इसका टाइमर कुछ नहीं, कैसे करते हैं? कितना टाइम लगा? पूरा 15 मिनट.
ये 3 मिनट आएगा, 3 मिनट।
हाँ, तो और करना पड़ेगा ना.
6 मिनट का कर देंगे।
These are all her clothes which has to be washed. डालो.
बस। हाँ हाँ। इतना ही होगा।
इतना ही होगा.
ये तो ना अटक जाएगा।
ओके.
थोड़ा पानी डालना पड़ेगा।
See, baby, wait, baby, wait. You're doing. You're washing your clothes. No, wait. Wait.
और पानी डाल सकते हो।
कपड़ा और नहीं.
अगर पानी डालेंगे तो और
हाँ.
थोड़ा और लिक्विड डाल दो।
और so we put more soap and now all her clothes we are putting in.
I'm seeing पूरा होगा कि नहीं। Let's try.
ये थोड़ा ये नहीं.
ज़्यादा भरेगा ना, it will not turn.
Oh. खोलो ना, देख सकते हैं. नहीं हो रहा. टर्निंग नहीं हो रहा ना. हाँ, नहीं, नॉट फुली. बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़ा हो गया. नहीं, वो आवाज़ आ रहा है. हाँ. महारानी आ रही हो. How much is crying? महारानी, ओ महारानी. Okay. What? Let me wash my hands. We removed some clothes, so it is spinning a little faster. Show me one second. Spinning a little faster because with this it otherwise it is going really slow. So a little less clothes is better instead of filling it till the brim. So it's done and now we're draining it out. And then again we'll be putting water in this to rinse it out twice.
स्टूल रे में रेस कर लेगा तो अच्छा है।
हाँ, that's a promising. You say some stool and all. You're tired. You carry. I put all these buckets. Catch her, then I'll put the bucket.
Catch her. No, don't need to catch.
Why?
I'll do it. Catch her.
Chuku is very excited to watch her clothes getting washed. She's so interestingly looking. Endua. She's sitting quietly also for a change. Very excited. Towel. So there's a place where side where you can keep the trainer, whatever it's called. I'm rinsing it out. So it's done. We're rinsing it out again, and we're going to be putting water again and rinsing it once more. We're draining it out, not rinsing it out. रुको बेबी, मुझे कुछ काम है, तुम उधर चुप बैठो. She got up. So now we'll be putting water again, last time. Last rinse. Coming. Six minutes. Chalo, now I'm going to remove all my clothes from the washing machine outside. Ayo. Hi. Okay, taking you. Ayo. Every time, mama. Every time, mama. Yeah. So this is last, and we're done. So it has a drying function too, but from the reviews it says that the drying function does not work at all. So I'm not even wasting the time to try it. I'm just going to be hanging it. Places and the clothes, some piece of paper was there. Some tag of her dress, and that messed up all the clothes. Like all the clothes have some pieces of it. So I have to rinse it out again. And I'm tired now, so I'm going to do it tomorrow morning and then rinse it out again in Dettol and then hang it. It's 11 in the night now. She's crying, just feeding her, and I'm really tired now. Back is aching like anything. So I'll do everything else tomorrow. We even have a beautiful crib which my cousin brother gave. We haven't even opened that yet. We'll have to open that. It's going to be attached to my bed. She's going to be sleeping separate. That's another traumatizing thing for her. She's a baby who's just stuck to me forever. So for separating her, but separating मतलब मेरे बाजू में रहेगा. It's going to be attached. So I ate dinner. The rotis which the cook cooked was really bad. I think she didn't know to make kapli rotis, because you don't need quite a bit when you're making kapli rotis. It's become like a papad now. So yesterday Olympics parathas were there. Made that hot and I ate so much, like 4 parathas. I feel so hungry. I really feel very hungry, and I don't know how am I going to lose weight. I'm gaining weight. I really feel hungry. But what I can do is I can exercise something. I thought when I come here I'll go for walks, and it's just not happened till now. So after an hour now I'll do some resistant band exercises. Right now I'm going to edit a vlog. This vlog जो है आज का, and trying to publish it or do whatever. I have no idea. Baby is going to sleep. I just put her to sleep right now. House is in a mess actually, and I'm really sad and really upset about movers and packers not getting our luggage, because now I just recollected that her Christmas dress, one of her Christmas dresses are in that. I'd taken this dress, bought this dress about 2 months back or something, beautiful dress for her Christmas, and it's in that, and I don't know what. I have no idea. I don't want to think about it. She has one more dress which her dad got. I think I'll have to use that. The thing with Chubu is She's even teething, so that might be another reason why she's so cranky and so clingy. Can be because she's teething, and symptoms are the all teething ka only, and one is coming out slowly. It's a different phase. I'm clicking as much as pictures as possible before her appearance changes. Once the tooth comes out, her appearance will change. And yeah, it's a different phase. But अभी मैं बहुत थक चुकी हूँ. प्रवीण ने खाना नहीं खाया अभी तक. पता नहीं उसका टाइमिंग्स इतना ख़राब है. I am going to exercise after some time and edit. So I think I should end the vlog right now unless something interesting happens, because I want to edit and finish it off. So yeah, I'll get done with it right now. So I'll talk to you later in another video very soon. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. We are the Malayalis. People have asked me, why did you change the channel's name? Because we are the Malayalis, and we Malayalis are going to be there on my channel. Just not Priyanka George. So that's why I put the Malayalis. Chubu. Chubu. What happened? Huh?